report from Philippines.
I see a lot of you typing rest in peace, Sumila. She can't rest in peace without justice. She will rest in peace until justice is served. She will not rest in peace. She was way too young, too young. I don't know. I'm going to put it in the description. Go search this story if you like right now, because I want justice.